Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you make an account or sign up into Credit Karma. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do this, you just simply have to open any of your browser, and after opening the browser, search for Credit Karma. And after that, this link from Credit Karma will appear into the top. Just simply tap into that link and open it. Then, after opening this link of Credit Karma's official site, this page will appear. Now into here, you will directly get the option of sign up. You just simply have to tap to this sign up button in order to make an account. Tap into sign up, and after tapping there, you will get the option to enter your email address and your password. Just simply enter the email address that you are officially using and create a suitable password for your Credit Karma. And after creating a password, you just simply have to tap into this sign up button, and after that your account will successfully be created. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.